So the trick to getting the shakuhachi to produce a nice, strong sound is actually a calm and focused breath. So it's always recommended breathing into your diaphragm, not so much chest breathing. Nope, just breathing from your stomach. It's a very meditative breath, and it's just a focused breath. It doesn't require a lot of heavy breath, although once you grasp the concept of what needs to be done, that can be used. But in the beginning, in order to play a shakuhachi, your bottom lip is creating basically a bridge here, and then you're blowing air through right there, kind of across your utaguchi. So it's a really relaxed breath. See, I can get a little closer so you can see what's going on here. And then to go up into the higher octaves, all you're doing is tightening to an even sharper breath. So you're going from otsu up into kan. Calm the breath, focused.